Good morning. Welcome to your 6th week of distance learning. Wow, I really miss you guys. Hopefully, you're really starting to feel comfortable with this format after 6 weeks. And if you're not, please reach out. We are here to help you, but you have to take the first step and send that email asking for help, asking your parents to have you to help you email whatever you need to do to get in touch with us. It's a pretty short, light week in science. You're doing one new lesson today on force, mass, and gravity. And then on Wednesday, we're going to be, here, I'll just go through this first. So you're going to be completing slide 19 in your Forces notebook. So you're going to go to your Forces digital notebook. It should be linked right there, but if for some reason it's not, you're going to go into your Forces folder. You're going to open your Forces digital notebook, and you're going to first of all, you should be through slide 19. The digital notebook is going to be graded to honor all the work that you guys have done. So please make sure you're completing the slides. You should be on slide 19 today. So you're going to go to Rapid Identity and log into Think Central first. So you have to go to Rapid Identity, and then you can just search up here, Think Central, and make sure that that page is loaded in the background. And then you're going to go into your digital notebook and click on this link right here. And it will bring you to the digital lesson.
Force that occurs between any pair of masses and that a force can cause motion.
So we've
done
the
vocabulary words for this lesson.
You do not have an assignment to go with it where it's like a long worksheet or a note sheet, but what you do need to do is answer the questions in this slide. So you're going to go through the Rapid Identity digital lesson, then you're going to fill out this T-chart, then you're going to go to this link, and you're going to explore your weight on different planets. So you type in your weight. I'm going to put in my daughter's weight, which is 43 pounds because she's 4. And you can see her weight on the different planets. And I want you to compare that to what it is on Earth. And then you're going to come back to your digital notebook, and you're going to answer these 2 questions. And that's it for today. Tomorrow, we're going to be reviewing for a small forces test. It's only 10 points, but it has a couple questions from each section. So there's a couple questions on balanced and unbalanced forces. There's a couple questions on calculating the net force. And there's a couple questions on mass, weight, and gravity. And there's a couple questions on contact and non-contact forces. So you can choose these review options. I will be hosting live GimKits and live Kahoots, depending upon what people want, when tomorrow at 9, 10, 11, and 2 are the options, and you can log in at any time, or you can play multiple times if you want. And then Thursday, you're going to have time to work on your test review worksheet. I don't know why this isn't letting me click. Your test review worksheet, and then Friday we're going to be taking the test, or it's really a quiz, and it will also be an opportunity for you to retake any quizzes that you are not happy with your scores. So that's kind of the week in review. I will still post a daily video with directions each day too. Have a great week, guys. Thanks. Bye.